Judge yourself. These lines when the India saw on the X and the entire world was in a great shock and the entire India felt really proud on their armed forces.
Operation Sindoor. This title itself speaks of the logics and vitality of operation which was conducted by our Indian Armed Forces. It was a joint Indian Armed Forces operation which was conducted so precisely and professionally, which presented the actual tactics and norms of Indian forces.
We're really proud of our Indian Army Forces. So, but do you know what is the reason behind that the government should start the mission Sindoor? Let me tell you. In this video, will discuss about that topic in a single video. So now I want to pass the chance to Bhumika ma'am to present their points.
So, thank you Adnan to pass me this opportunity. So, I would like to tell you that what is Operation Sindoor. So, let me tell you. Operation Sindoor is conducted by Indian Air Forces in the response of targeted Pahalgam attack. After the death of innocent civilians in targeting Pahalgam attack in Jammu Kashmir, India gave a befitting reply within 14 days. And after the successful execution of this mission, the defense minister had interacted with the chiefs of the three armies and got the information and shared with us that Colonel Sophia Qureshi shared with Vyomika Singh that the nine bases of terrorists has successfully destroyed during this mission. Now I would like to share the chance to Khushbu ma'am to put their perspective about this.
Thank you ma'am for giving me this great opportunity. Do you know where does this storyline begins? Pahalgam terror attack. Let me tell you. Which is also known as Mini Switzerland, on Tuesday 22 April 2025, the terrorists selectively killed the innocent people. What happened in the Pahalgam attack? The terrorists searched for all the tourists one by one and find a palace to gather them, and afterwards they told all the Muslims to separate and the Hindus to separate. Afterwards they asked from all the Hindus to recite the kalma, but who were not able to recite kalma were shoot dead there. And how many people were killed? In how many people got affected? According to the official figure, the 26 people died, in which two foreigners were from UAE and Nepal. It is the matter of attention that the 26 victims were men, and the number of injured people are more than 17. And what did the tourist told to the victim lady? One newly married couple had to come visit Jammu and Kashmir. Afterwards the terrorist killed her husband in front of her. Then she asked from all the tourists that why are you keeping me alive? Make me sick. So the terrorist said to her that we have left you to tell this incident to Modi. Now I would like to pass the opportunity to Abhya ma'am.
So do you know what is the reason behind that the government should take action against the Pahalgam attack? Let me tell you. After that Pahalgam attack, the government should take some actions. That first is like they are increase the security in their near areas of Pahalgam, and they are taking safety for the tourists, and there is a Amarnath Yatra. Do you know? So at their area is also including safety and security for victims and their families. They are supporting financial supporting and some mutual supporting. After that, the Modi should be take one more action, that is they are taking a officially meeting with the officer to take the reaction. And after that, one more thing, that is if they find the responsible and they find the attackers, Modi would be take security and they will take a high action against the attackers. And one more thing, that is moral drills. So let me tell you about moral drills. Moral drills is a practice time there's a thing, it's a practice time. Whenever is the emergency would be include, then it's like alarm, there is an emergency. So it will be open and it's make people safety and inform that here is emergency. So it inform to the person to make feel safety. And after that there is a blackout. So blackout is it is a simple word. There is a deep meaning of that word. Like yesterday, everyone is around 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Everyone will be off their lights and vehicle is also stopped. And after that, they use dark curtains to rope their windows and their curtains. After that, they use candles in their light. There is a reason that behind that. There is a reason that is attacker would be come, if they would be come and they send a flight or whatever is it. So they know there is not a light or there is not people living. So they will not take their place. They will take another place. There is a reason. And after that Sindoor mission, one more thing, that what is the reaction of the people? What is the reaction of Indian peoples? There is a reaction. The people of India reaction is like they are feeling very happy and they are feeling that India is a very good army. After that they are feeling, and especially women, they are inspired by that mission, that India is a proud moment, feeling very proud moment after doing this Sindoor mission.
So as you mentioned about the India's perspective after this mission, so I would like to share that what is the Pakistan's response after this attack of Operation Sindoor. So let me tell you, the Prime Minister of Pakistan has condemned the Indian airstrike as an act of war, and they declared a state of emergency in Punjab provision, and they has temporarily closed the schools.
Behalf of
In this
Indian
zone, we appreciate the action of
Indian Armed Forces.